Have you ever wondered how AI could let you create a voice that sounds just like you? In this module, you'll discover how to use HeyGen to create natural AI-powered speech for your content. HeyGen's AI voice is your go-to tool for high-quality video narration and personalization. In this lesson, you'll learn how to create a brand new voice to take your videos to the next level. If you've already created an avatar by uploading a video, HeyGen will automatically create a custom voice based on that video. Your custom voice's quality starts with your audio, so follow these best practices when recording. Upload an audio file that's at least 2 minutes long. Record in a quiet, noise-free environment. Speak clearly at a natural pace, with slight emotional exaggeration. Pause between sentences. What you say doesn't matter, but how you say it does if you can share a story. Use a high-quality external or Bluetooth microphone, positioned 6 to 8 inches from your mouth. HeyGen gives you 2 options for creating an AI voice. 1. Instant voice cloning. Record a sample of your natural speech in 1 to 2 minutes in a quiet space with a clear microphone. Upload your audio, check the consent box, and submit. HeyGen quickly analyzes your sample and generates a voice that matches your own, ready to bring any script you type to life. This is ideal when you want your own voice delivered by your avatar fast. 2. Generate voice. Alternatively, the Generate Voice option lets you create a brand new AI voice using HeyGen's controls. At the top, you'll see the name of your selected AI voice. You can rename it freely. Simply click on the name field and type any name you want. The prompt box is where you write a short description of the character or persona that will use this voice. This helps the AI understand the tone, style, and emotion the voice should express.
Another day, another set of challenges.
Language. Choose the main language your voice will speak. This controls pronunciation, intonation, and text interpretation. Example. Salut, voici comment je sonne. J'espère que cela vous plaît. Accent lets you pick a regional variation or accent within the selected language. Some accents modify tone and rhythm subtly to sound more authentic. Engine option. This defines the generation model used to synthesize the voice. Auto automatically picks the best engine for your selected language and accent. Some HeyGen accounts also include 11 Labs Standard or 11 Labs Turbo, balancing quality and generation speed. While 11 Labs is a third-party AI voice engine integrated into HeyGen that provides pre-made professional voices with limited customization and not based on your own voice, Panda is HeyGen's native voice cloning system, designed to replicate your real voice from an uploaded audio sample. Keep auto unless you notice issues like robotic tone or slow rendering. Click Advanced Settings to expand detail controls such as stability, how consistent the voice sounds. Similarity Boost adjusts warmth and realism. Style to change speaking pace or expressiveness. These options depend on your 11 Labs plan or HeyGen subscription level. Here's how I sound with an American accent. And here's how I sound with the Italian one. I'm so hungry, mamma mia! And there you have it, a high-quality, fully customizable voice clone. Whichever method you choose, HeyGen makes it easy to preview and use your AI voice. Just remember, always clone voices you own or have clear consent to use. Stay alert to potential misuse, from identity fraud to deepfakes, and follow all relevant laws and platform policies. You've just learned how to create and customize your own AI voice, from recording a natural sample to shaping tone, emotion, and accent. With these tools, your videos can now sound as authentic and dynamic as you want them to be.